They hate if you're clever and despise our formula. Till you're so fucking crazy you can't follow the rules. A working class hero is something to.
Puppy love hates tires. Before you tell the next story, why don't you tell the camera what we're doing here today, Jesse?
We are going to recover my boat that I sank.
You gotta tell the whole story, man.
Oh, I gotta tell the whole story.
Yeah. We don't need partial stories. We need whole stories.
All right, so
Fill it in.
I brought my brother, who's handicapped, out fishing a few times, or out for a boat ride a few times. I decided to take my father along as well, who's slightly disabled, and on a 12-footer. Pretty bad idea.
In a little too wavy of conditions?
Pretty bad idea.
So what happened?
Perfect storm.
The brother falls off, the dad goes in, I go in, and, you know, the drink swallowed us.
So, let this be a lesson to all you would-be boaters out there. Bring a life jacket, because you never know when your little boat's going to go down. So, the weather today is not ideal.
I'm going in.
This fella's going swimming. Johnny is going to take a dip. I'm not. We got the little dinghy, and I got...
Got a ladder back there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, you'll probably have to get back on the dinghy and then get onto the swim platform.
Okay, so I'll jump up on the dinghy and then
pull yourself in? Yeah.
Either way.
Yeah. You actually jumping in right now?
Yeah.
Giddy up, Johnny. I think the water temperature is about 77 degrees.
Yeah. Worry about that.
What?
I didn't come on.
Cannonball, swan dive. What's your flavor?
Swan.
Yeah! First man in. That's crazy. How's she feel, buddy?
Shocking.
Little refreshing?
Yeah.
He's been drinking. He'll be fine. Don't worry. So we're going to take the little dinghy, and I got this little anchor here. We're going to try and grab a hold of this boat with the dinghy and the rope. We're going to bring her back up to shore. What's that, buddy?
I got to take a leak.
Oh, go ahead. Don't worry. We'll edit that out. No, we won't. Okay, Angela.
Yes.
You ready for a close-up?
No! Oh gosh! I didn't want to close up! Shut up. What?
What do you think our odds are?
Our odds?
Yes.
Honestly, what they say, 35 feet?
35 feet is what we're guessing.
I really think we'd be able to fight
You think we got a shot?
I think we do.
I love the optimism. All right.
Really do.
See you later, folks. All right, so we're here. The sonar is not working. I don't know. I can't even deal with that problem right now. But we're able to get a hold of the Coast Guard, and they gave us these coordinates. This here, I don't know if you can read it or not, but it's a bunch of numbers. And those are the numbers on the computer, and they match. So we got the hook set. We're on top of it. Time to go fishing. Because before this rescue operation commences, you need to make your sacrifice to Odin, Poseidon, and what's the other one?
Well, I guess you're getting a shot.
Zeus?
Is that Patron
It is.
valuable to you? You have to sacrifice.
It's kind of like your tattoo. Look
Come
at
out here.
Grab that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Here, I'll pour it a shot.
Look at it's got a skull and crossbone on
A
it.
shot. Here we go.
Oh, pirate flag.
Here we
I'm going to
go.
have to take it down swimming.
Little salt, little lime. We'll give him a shot. Keep us safe out here.
I'm diving straight now and see how
Oh, that's
far
a
I
good
get.
shot. Look at that preparation. Both Odin and Zeus would appreciate that.
Oh yeah. Down the hatch, baby. Down the hatch.
There you go. Please give Jesse his boat back. Yeah, there you go. Good job. All right, with a little luck, maybe we'll be graced.
Holy. All day I won't do anything but search for a boat.
We're not having a lot of luck. I put us right on the coordinates. We threw the anchor, and threw the anchor, and threw the anchor.
Well,
nothing.
The anchor's not dragging the way it should. And
Bouncing
we need to
bottom.
go 100 yards this way.
So we're gonna take one more attempt after this beer. We're gonna go out with the dinghy now, and we're gonna shut the motor off and just start throwing the anchor and slowly dragging. I'll bring the GoPro with me. Maybe we'll get lucky. Otherwise, our efforts may be in vain today. But hey, at least the beer's cold. Nobody likes to see death. I love putting people on the spot. Say hi, Chip.
Hey, baby. What happened?
He's a crazy old guy. We're gonna smile now. We're done dealing with death. This is his stable. Rocket Action C5, 500 horse bird. Yeah, 327. Ooh, isn't that red girl pretty? That one's my favorite. Look, man, there's water in my boat. See the water?
Oh, sorry, I peed my pants.
Oh, you made that. You make a mess?
I went pee-pee in the poo-poo.
All right. Don't go poo-poo in my bilge. So,
Is that like an upper decker?
side note, the Sea Ray, the first big boat I had,
Steve's having a party. I'm gonna poop in his bilge.
man, I had the bathroom torn apart, and I was like, nobody use the bathroom, it doesn't work. And my little, like, 6-year-old nephew is like, and I don't even know what's going on, I'm driving, but he goes to his mom like, Mommy, I gotta go poop. And she took him down and let him poop.
In the sink?
No,
Oh.
no shit in the sink, no.
Oh, okay.
She let him poop in the toilet, and it went down, and his poop was in my bilge. I had to fish it out. I had to fish out little nephew's poop out of my bilge. I'm not shitting you. Yeah, where the dogs can find us. Got time to wait for tomorrow. To find it, to find it, to find it.
What are they doing? Chorus?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
Where you go for tomorrow? Where you go with the mask I found? And I feel when the dogs begin to smell her. Where's this man alone? Where the dogs can find us. Got time to wait for tomorrow. To find it, to find it, to find it. Where the dogs can find us. Got time to wait for tomorrow. To find it, to find it, to find it.
My fingers here.
Right, there should be a link down in the bottom for the Patreon account. If you dig what we're doing, want to see more videos, click like, hit the button, subscribe, all that stuff. You know what to do.
No, I played it before for you. Not tonight though. As I can be saved, but I haven't done anything that I can make. Recording me, are you? I love it. Hi, crowd.
those little moments of life.
Oh yeah.
You know. Well, enough of the sad talk. We'll edit that out. Cut.